Assalamualaikum. My name is Ayaan. Now we're at pig garden and watermelon garden. Now we're gonna go there. So stick around. This bridge are a little bit small. I'm sure I can go. Oh, I'm not scared at all. But maybe I shouldn't go there. Whoa, 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 whoa! Here's chickpeas. Oh. Yo, wow, what's inside? Chickpea seed. I can plant this seed, then it will grow another chickpea garden. Then we'll have lots of chickpeas. Now this is hot day, so I'm wearing my cap. I don't need that cap. Oh, thanks. No. Okay, here's chickpea plants, chickpea flowers. Oh, there's teeny tiny flowers. It's even smaller than my hands or my fingers. Now here's chickpea leaves. Oh, looks like spiky leaves. Okay, what is this? I don't know the signboard. Says R236. That don't make any sense. What is in there? Oh, there's a fish. Citaren. I can't. Oh, this looks like a vase again. We talk about milk. Cowpea produce pulses, and then we can eat the pulses. Pulses is my favorite. I like pulses. Oh, and look at this. Oh, looks like teeny tiny broccolis. And now, oh, it's the same as this. And there's some dust here. Wow, there's a thousand. I'm gonna go deeper. What? I'm inside really deep. Now I can go back in my place. Now this is pumpkin flower. You know pumpkin flower is make, and then it will grow into nice pumpkins. Oh, look, come on. There's yellow inside the flower. And pumpkin is yellow too. Now here's a pretty flower. And here's one too. But that's closed and this opened. I mean that honeybee comes to collect nectar from this flower. This flower is dead, so it don't have any pumpkin seeds at all. Now no bee come on and no pumpkin can grow. See this tomato? There's lots of tomato here. And look at this mini tomato. I wonder is taste nice or not. Disgusting. How about this? It's looking like a giant pepper. Let me try it. Nice. But I don't want it. Peas here. No peas. Oh, look! Mini beans. Oh, this mini beans has mini seeds. Oh, and there's a flower inside. We're in cherry tomato garden, and I'll pick some cherry tomato. I'm gonna pick it. And go to another tomato field. Let's go. I'm gonna go in the very last one. Oh, there's one butterfly. Hi, butterfly. There's butterfly. It's the yellow butterfly. Oh, there's giant tomatoes. And here's spinach, and this spinach is called, so vitamins and minerals. And what is this? Now this is coriander. In front of yeah, deeper, and I can go deeper and deeper. Now this is beans. Oh, I'm gonna have beans. Then we can eat. Oh, this is the giant bean. It will take forever to pick them. I'll just speed up. Two after two. Come on! Come on! What? I weighed a lot. That's all. Wait. I want to. How many I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9. Let me find something. Here. Oh, a big pumpkin. Oh. Ah! That hurts. I can touch the pumpkin. Ow! That hurts. See the pumpkin? And just remove this. And now you can see closer. Pumpkin produce minerals, vitamins, and we can eat pumpkin. I find where? Oh, now I find something again. Oh, here's another pumpkin, but it's smaller than that pumpkin we see earlier, and I can even lift it. Should I pick it or not pick it? Okay, I will not pick it. What? I didn't see tomatoes. I threw away tomatoes there. And how can the tomato grow big? Maybe, I don't know. What? There's a hole in this tomato. Maybe an ant did it or a bug. Oh, and see how high can I throw it? Hoopla! Again. Oh, it's pepper. Hot pepper. Can I eat it? Oh, it's tomato. It's tomato. Oh, there's more tomatoes there. A pile of. Now? But it tastes like real big tomatoes. But nice. Oh, here's more.